upload supporting documentation directly to the software, navigate to the Practices page that you wish to upload supporting documentation for. Then, click Select next to Upload New File. From here, navigate to your document. Double-click it or click Open in order to insert it into the practice. Then, click Save. It's important to remember that you must have text in the documentation and directives as well as the agency compliance boxes. Then you may save. You will find your document here in the drop-down menu.